Miss ko pa yun. Wala ba si Julie? Siya.
Kanina pa talaga.
Paging DSP Mayors, punta nga kayo sa akin. DSP Mayors, Psychology.
Wait lang, yan muna.
Mga section nyo sa likod, pahanap na po. Pila na po with your parents. Ang lineup po dito, awardee.
Saan ka? Ito? Ha? Saan tayo? Ako.
Ano apelido mo? Una ka, di ba?
Una tayo.
Bida-bida ko.
Once again po, student, pahanap na po ng mga section nyo po sa likuran. May mga placards po tayo ng section nyo doon, pahanap na po. Magpapapila na po kami. At nakapasok na po yung 4-2-0-0 wala na.
Okay.
Lalaki na siguro. Asan cellphone mo? Congrats! Congrats! Taray magkamukha.
Ay,
Oh, magkamukha. Video kasi yan, te.
hindi kami magkamukha.
Ay, magkamukha naman kayo, ah. Tignan mo, di ba?
Oo nga, magkamukha kayo.
Ang babaeng nagpa-extension.
Ang anak?
Babaeng nagpa-extension.
Dalawang ano.
Nabati ko nga po pala dyan yung mga pamilya ko. Hi, Mapa. Graduate na.
Sa TV na ako.
TV na ka, Ma.
Grabe naman lakas.
Everyone, huwag po tayo maingay ha, kasi meron po tayong VIP dito ng Manila Hotel.
Congrats.
What's this? Tinatamad na ako. Okay na yan. Napapagod na ako. Kala mo picture. Hindi talaga. Wow. Ano ginagawa mo?
Push mo lang.
Oo nga. Dati kasi nilalagay mo lang yun dyan eh. Tapos sige.
Ayun.
Yan. Para ba mukha na siyang puso? Ay, napindot ko.
Picture yan? Picture ba yan?
Hindi. Video.
Ang kaway. Ito.
Wala ba tong Zoom?
Lagyan mo ng ano, ng salita, ng voice over.
Kaya na yan. Grabe naman yan. Ba't yun na nga?
Joke shot, joke shot. Ay, nagsusubong na si mama.
Yung late po, forward po sa akin. Marami po po.
Say hi. Hi, Lisa. Hi ka nga, James. Hi ka nga, King.
Saan? Kami na. Hi! Yung mga koy, dami. Sa Ate June. Ano nakita?
Yan, bali yung line yung 2 lines lang mamaya yan ha.
Ito naman, dyan kasi nakatutok ko lagi. Doon mo na itutok sa kabila. Oh, section kami.
Kala ko hindi na.
Uy, hindi na tayo uusad.
Eh, di pa tayo pinapausad eh. Update lang yun eh. Ito ko pinapausad ito.
Ganda naman. Taray. Umiyak ka na ba?
Ay po, push po tayo, ma'am.
Nandito pa din yan.
Ay. Eh, hindi pa kinukuha. Ba gaganapin?
Doon oh, sa loob.
Ah, ito yung iba to.
Dreams become attainable when guided by knowledge.
The page is turned, the story grows.
Sige, tumboy.
Beyond the place we used to love. A chapter ends, another starts. Written boldly in our hearts.
It's the first drafts of ambition.
The mark we live is more than praise. It lives in friendships, choices made, and every step we never
Every lesson learned is an
within the struggle.
Through education, ordinary people discover extraordinary capacities.
Moments remembered in others.
Baka doon.
Ito.
Education
Oo.
And every failure quiet and strong. A lesson waits from hurting wrong. The silent,
Ano?
but where our greater hands extend.
knowledge grows when shared, and wisdom grows when applied.
Unwritten dreams now call our name. To chase the unknown, to light the flame. No limits bind what we can be, for hope unlocks our destiny.
Sabi nila nasa.
Yun pala. Uy, may tinapay.
To learn is to give yourself a chance to become more than what you are now.
Saan ba?
The path we chose was not always clear. Yet step by step we conquered fear. Now looking back, we proudly say,
Dalawa
we
nag-aan.
found our strength
Sa
along
akin
the
maniwala,
way.
babae ako.
Dalawa eh.
Every examination is not just a test.
We found our place through paths seem strange. Now wiser, stronger we part.
The smartest students are not those who know everything, but those who never stop asking why.
The noun, yet all have shaped the soul we bring to face whatever life may bring.
Great futures are written in the name of hard study.
It takes great courage to begin, to face the world and step with it to pursue.
A classroom may have more walls. And now, let us all welcome the entrance of BCP, faculty, and staff.
Succeeding the line, the entrance of non-academic support heads. Next in line, the entrance of our academic support heads. Now let us welcome our program heads. First in line, program heads of BS Criminology, Quezon City Branch, Dr. Mirna